Welcome to Innovin Foods. Today I'm sharing a 10-minute veg pizza recipe in a frying pan. You can make this easily at home without an oven. Quick, soft base, cheesy topping and full of veggie goodness. Let's start the recipe. In a bowl add 1/4 cup curd, 1 teaspoon sugar and 1 tablespoon oil. Add 1 cup flour, half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon baking powder. Mix well to form a soft dough. Veg pizza is one of the most customizable quick meals. Keep the dough soft for a fluffy pizza base. Rub some oil on top and rest the dough for 5 minutes. Take the dough and roll it into a round base. Prick with a fork. Pricking the base prevents it from puffing while cooking. Place it on a pan on medium heat and cook for 2 minutes. Flip and cook for another 2 minutes. Flip again. Now spread pizza sauce evenly. Always cook the base first before adding toppings. Add mozzarella cheese. Top with green, red and yellow capsicum and onion. Sprinkle oregano. Add more mozzarella cheese. Sprinkle some chili flakes. Cover and cook on medium-low heat for 10 minutes until the cheese melts and the base cooks well. Mozzarella cheese melts best for pizza toppings. Homemade pizza lets you control oil and toppings. Fresh vegetables add fiber and nutrients. Cooking on a frying pan avoids deep frying. Portion control makes pizza a balanced meal. Soft base, melted cheese and colorful veggies. Enjoy it hot with family or friends. Try this recipe at home and share your experience. Follow Innovin Foods for more quick and easy recipes.